Oh my god, we got all the Milsim boys over here now.
No, dude, I miss Milsim Eddie.
I still do Milsim, like a lot. Green laser beam right into my eyeball. House is good. Watch castle. Oh, it's all us. I was coming to get you.
Hey guys, my name's Eddie, and today I'm going to terrorize the children with one of these, and my Valiant Edition Lancer Tactical Gen 4. As always, thank you to my generous patron and channel members for their continued support, and let's get into the video.
So I got like 3 foot tall guys. Don't let them eat too much, okay?
What do you mean don't let them eat too much?
Don't go too hard with the tiny ones.
I never do.
I know.
Then why, if you know, then why are you
I
telling me?
warn everybody.
First thing I said when I walked here, I went, whoa, there's a lot of children today. And then I went, I'm like the least toxic person there is. What the f? Hell yeah. Why say that to me? Say what? I still got him. Hey, second place ain't bad. I said second place ain't bad.
I mean, if he doesn't want second place, I'll take it. Is that the man, the myth, the legend? Eddie Valley? Is that Eddie Valley?
Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody else? Let's go. Don't warn them. Don't tell them.
Holy!
Let me go first. Let me go first. Oh. He's not gonna let me get in the door. All right, I'm running in. I'm running in. There's still more. They're not letting me get in there. In here, in here. Yeah, yeah, you're both dead. I got him.
I told you guys he was coming.
I got him.
Did you get it?
Mission complete.
Oh, yeah.
I just had to go in the back door. Oh, you want me to have it? Yeah. All right, for sure. Thank you. Oh, please. Please. Want to be on the internet? No. No? Not really.
I'll cover you guys.
Just run, bro. They can't kill all of you, right?
No,
Cannon fodder.
Yeah, they can.
Tower! Oh, tower's dead as f.
None of my bags have gas, Eddie!
Really? Why?
None!
Why didn't you gas him?
You coming to me?
There's a guy. Yeah.
Go,
there's
go,
a guy.
go.
Oh, he's dead.
Bam!
Get him, David.
Gas.
Get here. Look. You say bam, I'll kill him for you.
Bam! Bam!
Did he blast you? I tried to kill him before he did.
It's kind of cool. I feel like Eddie Valiant right now.
Are you dry firing?
No, it's, I got on the side.
Bang bang! Ah.
Sorry.
What?
Sorry.
Okay. I didn't shoot him.
Oh.
He shot me.
Did you say
I bang banged him.
Oh, it stayed in?
Yes.
Nice. I got a pistol kill!
You're doing it, David. You're doing it. Are you paying attention to if you have BBs left or not?
No, I gotta do the Eddie. Bam, bam. Up, yep. That's 12 more kills right there. Even though there's 10 BBs in here. You running?
No, I'm gonna hold the corner and just zippity zippity zip. I'm just gonna zippity doo dah all of them. Oh, mag change, I'm empty.
Would you like another joke?
Sure.
Where do you find a dog with no legs?
Where?
Where I left it.
Oh God.
What do you think?
Yeah, he's making you load your mags for him? That's crazy.
Load your own
Watch him double feed it. Ugh.
What are they gonna do? Fire me on my last day?
Wait, what's your name?
I'm Alex.
Alex? Cool.
Yep.
Just to do all day and then just say Alex said you could.
Yeah. Cool, cool.
Thanks,
Very
Alex.
nice. Of course.
I'm gonna tell Rick you said I could do everything, he doesn't let me. I'm gonna go invade Andrew's privacy. Yeah! What the hell? Oh, nice slide. All right, go somewhere, Andrew. Jeez. Not enough room for all of us here.
Are you ready now?
Yeah, I sure am. What is everybody doing here?
Can you get a kill with my pocket pistol?
Oh, jeez. I could try. You're still dry firing. Go, baby. Yeah, that's a break. Yeah. Here, I did it.
Oh, thank you.
Everywhere. You got the door, Andrew?
Yeah.
Missing all these easy kills. Top and bottom, top and bottom. Same team, same team. Are there any greens alive up there still?
Some of these kids are saying that you're Eddie Ballard.
That's right.
Holy sh**. Pardon my friend. Nice to meet you. I was like, that is not Eddie
Who
Ballard.
said that?
Not me.
Who said that?
I don't. You are, dude.
One of you said it.
I don't even know who you are. That was him. Sure.
One of you said it.
He was.
Who's gonna tell me who said it? It was him? It was him? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You are?
Uh-huh.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, all the time.
Put me in the video.